Everyone, today I am doing a review on this Bare and Natural lace closure bundle. It is very affordable, nice and soft, and something in here. Let me pull that out. But anyways, it is very affordable and the hair is just so soft and silky. This is the natural black. It's not recommended to be bleached or dyed, so I'm not going to do any of that with this hair. Here's just some washing and daily care tips. And yep, this is what I'm going to sew in today. Here's a close-up of the 4x4 closure and just showing you how the knots look. Now, since it's not recommended to bleach this, I'm not even going to attempt to bleach these knots. And this is how it looks up against my skin. Morning time. Do your face before you take it off. Edges will start pulling away. It's looser now. You need me? You sure? Why do you need me?
Because I love you.
Okay, I love you too. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is just how I have been keeping it up. It's been in for almost 2 months now. I did this November 8th, and it is currently December 29th. So I mean, it's getting up on 2 months, like really close, right? Yeah, something like that. So anyways, if you want to see any more type of hair videos, just let me know. Just post it down in the comment section below, pretty please, and I will be sure to get back with them. But that's how I've been maintaining this hair, just wrapping it up. Not curling it much because I pretty much like how it looks when it comes unwrapped, but if you want to go out, do something, just curl it up a little bit. And now to respond to a few comments from my crochet hair video. Kimmy Keller says, but I don't have like hella thick dreads. Any ideas how I can braid them down? Can you come do it for me? Well, Cammie, we will see. I will look into that. I'm thinking maybe you could have like a hair cap, like pull them back real tight, braid them, put on your cap, and then do what you need to do. But I never had thick dreads. Fine Child says, will you do a video on maintenance as well, please? Love your enthusiasm. Thank you. Make videos for thin-haired girls like me. Yes, like I totally understand. We need more representation. Well, I will try, Fine Child. This video is for you. I hope that you enjoy it, and I will try to post many, many more. One step at a time. Great day, everyone. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Your comment might be featured in my next video. Have a great day. Love you all. Bye. And hit that subscribe button and your notification bell. Since I post video, you will know. Have a great day. All right, I guess that worked. And thank you so much for, my brain just flew away. Thank you so much for your support, and please hit the follow button. Is that what it is? No, it's subscribe. I'm saying follow.